Хуманоста и доброволното донирање е заштитен знак на Innerville International. Кој е клучот за успешноста на вашата организација?
The key to the successful functioning is its members. They're all committed to the objects of Inner Wheel, which is true friendship, community service and international understanding. And it's also about the work that they do within the communities for the greater good.
Како се станува член на Innerville International?
International Inner Wheel is merely the administrative arm of Inner Wheel itself. In Macedonia, you have 5 clubs, and they are Veles, Komomova, Skopje, Europea, and Bitola. So anyone in Macedonia who's looking to join should look up those clubs and go along, because it's open to all like-minded women.
Активни сте во повеќе од 100 земји во светот. Со какви предизвици се соочува организацијата?
Work, family and time compete against Inner Wheel for members. We understand that women have more than one job, but we all know that if you want something done, you give it to someone who's busy. The other challenges are finding joint projects to participate in and to identify low-cost, high-impact projects for the benefit of the community.
Ваши представници имате и во Обединетите нации, целни групи ви се жените и децата. Каде помогна најмногу Innerville годинава?
Each member and Inner Wheel club has its own diverse projects, and International Inner Wheel supports those right around the world. These projects support the objectives of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals towards 2030. And some of these goals include no poverty, zero hunger, reduced inequality, quality education, gender equality, climate action, peace and justice, and clean water and sanitation.
Како да се унапреди женското лидерство? Можат ли жените да придонесат за подобар и похуман свет?
Of course women can contribute. Women make up 50% of the world's population, and they deserve to have a say in a more sustainable and improved world. Women don't need a voice, they already have a voice. But what they need is for this voice to be heard, appreciated and included.
Ви благодарам за интервјуто.
Thank you for your time.